Okay, here we have Dell laptop. Uh, the problem of the laptop is plug in the charger. Power button on. We going to the BIOS battery information. See, maybe so. Okay, AC adapter unknown. The battery is excellent and idle. Idle. This means it's not charging. If we took out the adapter not installed, it's charging. The battery is discharging. Plug in the adapter. Yeah. The AC adapter state is unknown. So how we fix this problem? The first thing is we must understand that the Dell adapter or the HP adapter, they have a middle that's uh, indicated that uh, for communicate to the laptop. If we plug in the charger, laptop's known the charger is plugged in with this middle pin. So the first time I will to make sure the middle pin on the adapter is okay. It's okay. Okay, let's open the adapter. Okay, wait to adapter is charging. Okay, we have been open the AC adapter. The first we must check is a connection between this cable to this output jack. Okay, we'll make the scale. Okay, we use buzzer. Okay, the white cable is the plus, black cable is ground, and yellow cable is data. First, we check the ground. Yeah, the ground is okay. Second, we check the plus. The plus is okay. And third, we check the data line. Yeah. The data line is OOL. Yeah. Yeah. Still, the data line is OL. Okay. We must find where is the broken cable. First, I will cut here to see if we don't have problem in this shield. Okay, we take we took the yellow one again and test here. Okay, no. Okay, we found the problem. The this yeah, this red this yellow cover is broken there, so it's not connected to the middle pin. Yeah, we must soldering this yellow cable to make sure it is will work. Okay, we have been modified the charger. This we fix this connection in the middle pin. So now time to test if this charger working or not in this laptop. In the charger is on. See the light here, the green light. Yeah. Okay, we plug in the charger. Okay, we see the light. Yeah, the light is flashing. It means maybe this is charging. Okay, let's turn on and go to BIOS, and we see at battery information. Okay, yeah. Can you see or not? Can you spot it? Yeah, yeah. Okay. See, maybe it's too light, too bright. Yeah. You see? This maybe. Sorry. Okay. You can see the status is charging. Battery is excellent, and IC adapter is 1990 watt. Yeah. It means this charging is fine now. Okay. Uh, I will stop the video. I think this is fixed. So if you find the problem like this, the the battery is health of the battery is excellent, and AC adapter is unknown adapter, maybe the problem is in the and maybe the problem is the adapter middle pin. Yeah, so you must find where is the broken cable of the middle pin. Mostly at the jack connector to the DC connector at the laptop. Okay, I stop the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. See you in the next video.